Hello everyone. This is our course project for Natural Language Processing course for the semester fall 2024. My name is Lalita Priya Janampet and my friend Tejaswarup Renukutla. We have chosen the topic as NLP tool Carrot 2 as our demo tool which is used for text search and clustering. We are doing this project together. In this project, we will be discussing about what is text search and clustering, what are the features of the Carrot 2, what are the real world applications of Carrot 2, and we will also give the demo of the Carrot 2 website. My friend will discuss how it can be implemented in our projects, what are its real world applications, and conclusion. Now, let us see why is text search and clustering important in NLP. Nowadays, we hear a lot about big data. Big data is nothing but collection of huge data with unstructured text. This unstructured text requires text clustering for efficient search and organizing them. There are various applications of text search and clustering. Few of them include retrieving the information based on the search results and analysis of the data which is retrieved and organizing them based on their similarity. What is Carrot 2? Carrot 2 is an open source engine which is mainly developed for clustering the search results. This tool will categorize and organize the results automatically. This process will enhance the retrieval of information by providing the structured access to the results. By this process, we can quickly locate the information which is needed from large datasets and collected documents, which are high in number. We will save a lot of time and effort because the similar documents are grouped together, which makes the search process a lot more easier and efficient. Let us now explore various features of the Carrot 2. Carrot 2 is ideal for the clustering of large amount of textual data and grouping them together based on the similarity. This is the main feature of Carrot 2. This tool will provide the intuitive visuals like pie chart and tree structures to let the users explore and understand the text data structures. This is called exploratory data analysis. User can understand without seeing the information just by looking at the visuals. Also, it has main feature called information retrieval and summarization. It also enhances the process of information retrieval in terms of summarizing the documents and organizing the search results. Carrot 2 has three main components. They are pre-processing, clustering algorithms, and the visualization. Now, I will explain in brief about these components. Let us first see pre-processing. When we retrieve the information, we first need to pre-process the data, which involves the process of cleaning and sending the high quality of input to the next process, which is clustering. Carrot 2 has various algorithms which are used for clustering the similar documents into the thematic clusters, which means that documents which have similarity, they will be clustered together, so we can view them as similar type of documents. The third component of Carrot 2 is visualization, which we have already talked about, which means user can understand the information by seeing the visual things like pie chart or tree structure. This part will offer a visual representation of the clustered data and makes it easier for users to navigate. Now, I will show the demonstration of Carrot 2. Before that, let us see few screens of the Carrot 2 website. This is the launching page of the Carrot 2 website. Here, you can search for the topic of your interest. This is how the search results will be displayed in the form of the list of all the categories of the documents by sorting the documents into clusters and grouping them. So, here I am showing for project presentation. This was given as an input in before step in the search bar. This is the tree structure of the result of the documents and their clusters. By this tree structure, we can understand that there are 21 documents with the title Project Management, and there are 8 with the topic Retrieved, and there are 12 with the topic Project Plan. So, it is clustering different documents, a number of documents into a single cluster with a title. Caret 2 website, we first need to go to our favorite Google Chrome browser or whichever browser you are comfortable with. In the search bar, click for Caret 2, and then the first result that we see will redirect us to Caret 2 website. Let's click on the Caret 2 link. So as you have already seen the homepage of Caret 2 website, this is how we will be launched onto the Caret 2 website. Here we can search for our favorite own topic. I want to search for, say, web development, and let's search. When we search, it will first give the results in the list type. So this one indicates that there are 24 documents in the selected area of web application development, and there are 20 documents in web design, 18 documents in web framework, and similarly for all these topics. So when you click on any topic of your choice, for example, I am clicking on HTML CSS. So you can see all the documents that have HTML CSS as the topic. So this one contains HTML CSS and this one contains HTML CSS, and this is how they are grouped together into HTML CSS. Now let us also see web browser. See, these all contain web browser as their topic, so they are all grouped together. There are 5 documents in whole documents list which have web browser as their clustering list. There are tree maps and also pie charts. These are the visual representation of the search results. They are all clustered into different forms. This is Learn Web Development. It has 16 applications, and the biggest one with 24 documents is Web Application Development. And as the size decreases, it means that it has lowest number of the documents. For example, this WO unit test has only 2 documents, and that is why it is having the lowest size. This one with 24 documents is having the biggest size. So these are like based on the size of their documents list. This is the pie chart. So now we can see, similar to the tree map, the 24 documents with web application. In that 24 documents, they are subdivided into subclusters. Web design, web framework. So you can see all the documents. When you click on this web framework, you can see all the documents on the right side. You can also go click a link and it will redirect to the page where it is residing. I want to click on web framework, the third document. You can see the link. Let us click on code. Maybe we'll see something else. So in code, I'm clicking on a subcluster. So this subcluster is having only one document. If I click on it, it will redirect to that document. This is the document which we clicked on just now, and I want to give one more example. So this one is web framework and a document with wiki books. This is how it will redirect to you different things. So this one is an open source project, as we have already seen. This is the GitHub link for the Caret 2 website. Open source means like anyone can contribute to the codes changes, and right now you can see that 60 members are watching it and 208 have forked the repository. You can also go to readme to see more about this Caret 2. This is all about Caret 2 website. You can see how it works. You can further read on source code or tree map and what are its uses and what are the pie chart uses, and what are the clustering algorithms that we have in Caret 2. We have discussed this when we were discussing about the components of Caret 2. So these are the clustering algorithms that we have available: Lingo, STC, K-means. You can choose whichever algorithm that you want to cluster your results with. And these are the user interfaces: web search clustering and clustering workbench. You can see the demo of the website. Yeah, so you can implement this Caret 2 in your project by using the like this API, and it will give the results similar to how it is giving here. So this is basically a demo of how you can give Carrot 2. Thank you.
Hello everyone. We have seen what is Carrot 2 and its features and the demo of Carrot 2, and now I will touch on few real world applications. Carrot 2 is widely used in academic research, particularly for text mining and clustering large document collections. These support researchers in analyzing and organizing complex data. In business intelligence, like Carrot 2 helps analyzing unstructured text from sources like customer feedback and social media, providing insights that inform business strategies. Content managers and digital librarians also use Carrot 2 to organize and categorize vast amount of textual data and making retrieval and management more efficient. These examples shows Carrot 2's versatility in handling and structuring large-scale text data across various fields. Now, let's discuss how we can integrate the Carrot 2 in our projects. We will first need to install the Carrot 2 source code and then set up the environment by installing the dependencies like Java and the Maven, and also set up the necessary libraries. Now we will integrate the Carrot 2 using the Carrot 2 API to create and search engines, and then implement the methods for sending the search request and receiving the cluster results from the Carrot 2. Now we have everything set up to send requests and receive the responses. We should work on the request input. For these, we need to pre-process the text data regarding the Carrot 2 requirements. Now we can run the clustering by calling the clustering methods that are provided by the Carrot 2, and by specifying the data and desired algorithms. We can also utilize the Carrot 2 visualization tools for displaying the clustered data more effectively by integrating the third-party visualization libraries. We can now test the implementation using various datasets and check the results. For more detailed examples, please feel free to refer to the document of the Carrot 2. So, in this video, we have discussed about Carrot 2 and its key features. Have seen what are the components of the Carrot 2 and the real world applications where Carrot 2 is being used. Also, I have given the demonstration of the Carrot 2 website and have rolled over the few user screens of the Carrot 2 and discuss how we can implement the Carrot 2 website in our project.
We hope you have learned some of the important topics about Carrot 2. Thank you for watching the video.